Good morning, sunshines! I don't know why I get so excited when I pick up the camera. But it's OPK test time. It's time for us to test to find out where that egg is. We gotta find out where the heck the egg is. Like, where are you? What process are you in? When are you gonna fall? When is my sperm gonna meet you? Well, not my sperm. It's not my sperm. But you get it. But anyways, today is cycle day 8. Hi, baby. Today's cycle day 8. And today is November, whatever. So we are on cycle day 8, and it's time to test to find out where I am. So let's get to it.
Okay, so today we're going to be using the Clearblue digital ovulation. Some people say ovulation, I say ovulation, whatever. You get the point. So I'm going to be using the Clearblue digital reader, this little reader here, and then this is the Clearblue the pee stick. This is the stick you insert in your urine, and this is yesterday's this is yesterday's stick. Stick. I have list tongue, so I don't pronounce certain letters properly. But yeah, so we're gonna get this ready and come back.
Okay, guys. So this is what your test strip should look like. All your lines should be lined up, and you should just see your symbol should not be blinking at all. It should just be steady. And yeah, so I'm gonna insert this in the urine, and I'll be right back. So our test is going. So I'll be back in 5 minutes because I'm not gonna sit here and videotape 5 minutes of this. So I'll be back. Okay, so I think it's time for us to check in. I think we're like a minute out or so. A minute out, yeah. Or like 3 minutes in. No, 4. We'll be 4 minutes in and 4 minutes out. I put the cap on wrong. Okay, so it's a low. So cycle day 8, we are at a low. You see it? Yeah, so cycle, see, we're still low. So, yeah. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.